I didn't plan to talk about floods, but Aceh keeps pulling me back into this conversation. I have lived through disasters here. During the tsunami in 2004, I worked on the ground as an interpreter, helping people communicate when everything was broken. Now, during these floods, I am back again, not as an official, but as a connector, helping needs move when signals fails, roads break, and systems slow down. Aceh has faced the tsunami, the earthquakes, and now floods. And every time I see the same thing. People move first. Systems move later. This series is not about blaming, it is about understanding what went wrong, what we keep repeating, and what we can actually do better as people, as communities, and as a country, as a whole country. I am sharing this because silence helps no one and clarity saves lives. This is Frida Pini, and this is why this series begins.